You need house help. You need house help. You need help. You need How dare you? How dare you?
Baby, calm down.
What is this? Don't tell me to calm down.
Baby, relax now. What's your problem now? Just relax. Calm down. What's all this?
Do I look that small to you? Huh?
How?
How did you say you invited a house help without consulting the man of the house? Who does that?
Baby, I am the one that need the house help, not you.
What is wrong with
Besides, you're not always around. Baby, my hand.
Yes.
I should do all the homework in this house.
This is laziness. This is laziness. And let me tell you something. There is not going to be any house help in this house. And my word is final.
There is house help already. She's on her way here. In fact, she's even here right now as I'm talking to you.
You are kidding me.
Babe, I'm your wife.
Who is the man of this house?
Babe, I'm your wife, for crying out loud.
I'm a woman down the way. There is not going to be any house help in this house. And that's period.
Babe, I am your wife. Yes, I am your wife. I need the maid, not you. I need the house help and not you.
You are playing.
Chiamaka, please come inside.
There will never, ever be a house help in this.
Madam, please come in. You're welcome. Babe, this is the house help.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Welcome, my dear.
Okay.
How are you?
Fine.
Well, how are you?
Fine, sir.
That's what I was trying to tell you. You see, there is no way in this house that I will allow you, my wife, to be using your hand to be doing chores.
What are you saying?
You didn't tell me now. I thought you were thinking of rogues, all these people that does not know, have respect. See how she entered and she just greeted me. No, you're welcome.
Babe, did you say we need house help?
Very much.
We need house help. Oh, yes. I need house help.
She's helping you to do other things. You need house help. No, you say your name is Chiamaka. Oh, come, let me show you the guest room. This is your bag, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, babe. I no longer need the house help. We no longer need house help. Madam, please just go. Don't worry. I can handle my. Babe, we don't need this house help. We don't need that again. Please, madam, leave.
What do you mean?
Babe, we don't need house help again.
Wait.
This one is wait.
Shalom. Anita. Who is the man of this house?
Baby, you are the man of this house and I'm your wife. I need the house help before, but now I no longer want.
Hello.
I no longer need.
You are the one here that was complaining that you need someone that will be helping you to do the house chores. And now you have brought a respectable person. And I want to ignore. Oh, I was holding her. I didn't even know that. But what I'm trying to tell you is that she's going to be here.
Never, madam. Carry your bag and leave my house.
You will need a house help.
I will not, oh.
My dear.
Madam, I don't need you.
Some of my clothes are dirty. If you enter now, by the left.
Baby, don't worry. I will wash. Carry your bag and leave.
What is your problem now?
I don't need that again.
We need house help.
We don't need that, oh.
We need house help.
Madam, you must leave my house. Babe, leave her house.
I have hot temper.
Oh, you have hot temper.
See.
My own pass your own.
No, go inside.
Madam, go where? You are going nowhere. Go.
Where are you going to the person that brought her?
I don't need that again. I don't need her. I don't need her. I don't need that. I don't need her.
Wait, hello, Anita.
Come on, leave.
Leave. Hello, come.
So, I don't need that.
We need house help.
I don't need her.
No, come.
Madam.
We need house help.
Madam, I'll tell you. Babe, leave this woman. Leave her alone.
Okay.
Babe, leave this woman.
I will be the house help. She will be the owner of the house.
What are you talking about?
I will be the. Madam,
follow me.
Come now.
I'm not employed.
Oh, yeah, you need house help. You need house help.
Hey!
You need help.
What are you doing?
You need help.
What are you doing?
You need help.